We implemented a 3-button stopwatch. So first of all, you can start the time. And once you've started, you can either stop it or lap. And the laps are displayed at the bottom while the time up here continues to run. And once you've stopped, you can either start again or reset, which will erase all your laps and set the timer up top to back to 0. And you'll notice that if you have not yet clicked start, or if you've just stopped, the lap button is disabled, and once you click start, the reset button is disabled. So we chose a 3-button layout because we were initially trying to get lap and reset functionality on a single button, but we were not able to do so. So we made lap reset into 2 separate buttons in order to simplify our approach. And the most obvious application of a stopwatch is when working out, when you want to record the laps for your activities, but it's also applicable to lots of other fields in which you want to record segments of time for something. So we've published this to GitHub, and this is in fact an original project. Oh, and in the future, we would probably attempt to implement timer and world clock functionalities, perhaps using APIs.